Right then, the Chod rig. First of all, the hook. These hooks are quarter captors, Choddies size 6. Now, with a Chod hook, the only difference than a normal hook is that the eye is an out-turned eye. So, quarter mouth trap and £15. You don't need much, I'll say what, 6 inches. So, through the front of the eye, as if you're going to do a knotless knot, so leave yourself a hair almost. 1 turn, 2 turn, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And back through the back. And pull that down. So all that there, all that was just a knotless knot. Next, a small rig ring. This is to go on the D and for your bait to be attached. Now these are S-Grangling again, just a cheap alternative to your bigger brands out there. Nothing really special, just a metal ring. This is to go on your hair of your knotless knot. Simple as that. Now that the rig ring's on, that tag end, we have to fold back on itself, forming the D, and pass it through the eye of the hook. Oh, it's very fiddly. I hope the camera can pick it up and try and move my fingers out of the way so you can see what's going on. But all I've done is pass the tag through the eye. Creating a D. Now the D is yours to play around with. Some people like bigger ones, some like smaller ones. I personally like a bigger one. Allows more movement. So once you're happy with your size of your D, you'll take a lighter. Careful not to damage the filament. You need to block that tag end. Just a little tap. There we go. Like I say, that D is yours to play around with. Usually get a baiting needle inside. You can kind of manipulate it and shape it to your liking. Next, you need your flexi ring swivel. This is a size 10 Fox, but again, plenty of other brands out there. Now, I like my Chods very small. I found the smaller the Chod is, the more fish I've had. I need to fish big Chods, but never had much luck. So what we're going to do now is a 2-turn blood knot. It can be quite fiddly with this stiff filament, but you will get it. So do it shorter than you normally would, because once you get the pullers attached to it, it will give it half an inch or so. Back through on itself. So I don't know if you can see that. It doesn't look very pretty at all. But pull the tag end down. Moisten it with saliva. Get your puller tools. One through the ring of the swivel. One on your hook. And like I say, it'll gain and just start pulling. Gain a bit of length. Get rid of the tag. So there you go, there's the almost finished article. The trick now is to give the chod its deadly curve just by manipulating it by hand. You can create the curve just fine. So the chod rig, that's it ladies and gentlemen, that's a finished article. Now it'll kind of sit like that in the water. Obviously you'll attach your pop up to that rig ring there via some bait floss or dental floss, whichever. Any questions, anything you're unsure about, please comment below. I'll be glad to help. Next week I shall be doing another rig video. I'm thinking about doing the IQD rig, but thanks for watching. Down.